Hello guys, today we are going to be playing cool math games. We're going to be playing cool math games part 2. Remember, because it got too laggy, now I'm on a different device, so I'm just saying. So remember to press X and jump, and you jump that way. I don't know, that's it. Guys, I'm sorry I'm taking forever, but I'll be there soon as I possible. Okay, I just gotta do something real quick. Guys, just skip the video a little bit, please. Because keep watching, but skip the video, not till the end, but yeah, just skip it to favorite one. And I'll be right back. And grab a couple of minutes. Okay, because you can still hear me, right? Yeah, skip, just skip. Yeah, nothing else. That's it. Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm sorry for that. So, yeah, so, mm-hmm. Oh no. you go. Sorry. Takes me forever. Just to do one little bit. From now on, I'm not going to speak, so yeah. Suck. Oh yeah, so on this one, go over here. See this little torch? I'm gonna throw the axe on it. That allows you to walk through that flying thing. I don't even know what it is, but so yeah. This one you just chuck it there. And you can go get that chest. So I'm not real good today. I don't know what's wrong with me. Yeah, sorry, I'm just too bad. I'm so bad. What's wrong with me? I'm terrible at this game in the day. I'm so good. This one's really hard, by the way. It'll take you about a good 10 to 12 goes. But if you're a pro by then, you could probably get it in about 1 or 2 goes. Now for this one, you throw that on the torch, you drop back down, then that's how you kill the bat.
What did you have on that plate, Rob? What did you have on that plate? Toast.
Crumpet.
Wait, did you make yourself a crumpet?
Uh-huh.
What?
Uh-huh.
No, I'm going to the supermarket. See you later. I said so.
When?
Come straight from the supermarket.
So I was talking to my mum. Anyways, back to the vids. Okay, so that's a good trick. Really good trick. I lost. I suck at this game now. I just really lost it. My school, I was too good. So good, I beat other people. This is the last one, okay? So now what you're gonna do for this one is you're gonna press it and quickly go down. That kills the bat. And then you just check the thing. You gotta jump, otherwise if you don't, that's gonna happen. So jump. You come down and then so thank you guys for playing. Thank you guys for playing. Thank you guys for watching. And I will see you eventually soon. Everybody, peace. Thank you very much for watching.